Welcome back to Basin Motorsports. This week we're going to get the trucks buttoned up and ready for the cruising season this year, thanks to green filters. So every spring, one of the big things I normally do around here on the farm is get all the trucks ready to go for the year. I've got a farm truck that mostly does firewood, dump runs, etc. But it is a key part of keeping the things around here going well. Now we also have two Suburbans on the lot here. One is mine that hauls car parts and the car to the shows. Other was my wife's, and Green Filters has been nice enough to send us some filters for them, all the trucks, and we're gonna get them put in today. So the first truck we're gonna do today is going to be our 1996 Chevy Truck. Now again, this is just a standard V8, nothing special about it, but this baby's got already 250,000 miles on it, and I wanna make sure this thing continues on running really, really well. Change the filter in the box. You're just gonna pop these two clips here, one there, and the lid is gonna come right open. The one thing you'll find when you take these out is that this is gonna fit a little tighter on your intake elbow there than the green filter does. So what green filter does is give you a hose clamp to go with it. So this will slide on very easily, and then you just tighten it down. Now, you can use two different things. You can just use a flat nose screwdriver like that, or you've got a nut driver. Either way, it will tighten down very easily, and then you're good to go. Now you will notice they do have a little bit of an oily sheen to them. This is just make sure they are prepared and they are ready to go. So as soon as you get it put in, you can just put your lid back on, put on your two snaps, and this truck is ready to go at that point. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is going to be my Suburban. Now this is the blue one. You know, on the front right is where the intake is at. So again, these are 4 screws. They are Phillips, so I just get a big screwdriver, pop these loose very easily. And then you just pop the lid up, take the filter out. So this is what's coming out. This is a paper filter. It is a one-time use only. You know, when the pleats get kind of dirty, you can start seeing dirt in there. These are replaced typically once per year. So these are a cost of about 15 bucks, something like that. You can get these basically at your local auto parts store and that. But the sad thing is, when these are done, when they are used up, you have to throw them in the garbage. They're not reusable. And that's something that I've always thought, oh man, I wish there was a better solution. So enter the better solution. Now green filters are completely reusable. Things they recommend on these is that they are cleaned out once per year or 30,000 miles. Now they do have a cleaner kit that you come with. Spray it on there. It's kind of like a watery detergent. Spray it on, clean it out with water, and then let it air dry. They have an oil that you can re-oil it with, and then these things are completely replaceable. You don't have to throw them away. You just have to re-clean them. Make sure they're good condition. Now at every oil change, they do recommend kind of popping them out, making sure there's no big debris in there, and if it's not an oil change, do it about every 6 months. So basically, you know, every 6 months to a year, you clean them out, double check them out, give them a good oil soak down, and these babies are gonna last forever. This is a fantastic solution. They normally are about 50 bucks, so you're gonna spend about 3 years worth on one filter, but if you're gonna keep a vehicle like we do, this baby's got 200-something thousand miles on it. These are a fantastic value. Hard rubber surface all the way around, very good condition. And I've already got one in Nikki's other Suburban, the brown one. And I tell you what, this thing has been awesome. She's already put about 500 miles on it and shows zero sign of wear. Doing great with it. So in order to put this back in, all I do is lift the lid up, pop it back down in there, and then just tighten the 4 screws down. Simple as that. Now a nice thing, if you're forgetful on the maintenance schedule of this, every filter does come with a nice card there that shows you the schedule of maintenance. It also comes with a discount code there, so you can also get some more filters if you need to, and then it's also got a nice warranty card, plus a couple stickers you can run on there if you want to. So I'll say, think about this for the sustainability piece. If you want to keep your vehicle more than a few years, it is always a good thing to get something that's going to last over and over and over. And the green filters, I'll say, running them, I'm pretty impressed with them. They're going to stay very, very well used and we're going to keep up on them on maintenance. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching on this, but there's more. So Green Filters did send me a couple extras. Now these are a 7308. These should fit a 2016 Chevy Colorado. I have one available for somebody out there in viewer land. If you've got a 2016 Chevy Colorado and you would like to try a Green Filters, courtesy of me and here in the channel, and especially Green Filters, all you need to do is cover shipping. You can contact us directly down below. We'll get back to you in the comments, or you can send us an email. Either way, Facebook, however you want to do it, just let me know. I've got one for you, 2016 Chevy Colorado and newer. You will be like these. You will be impressed. And that's it. Go out and get you a couple of these. You need some. That's it for this time. Thanks for stopping by the channel. We'll see you next time.